Here's a fun one. 1965 Cobra kit car by Backdraft Racing. 5-liter with a TKO 5-speed Tremec. Let's start it up. Clutch in, main power on, key on, ignition button. Your fan switch. Horn. Signals. Hazards. Warning lights, probably for temp, one for volts or oil. Blue, that's high beam. Headlights. Wipers. High-low. Showing 535.1 miles. Speedometer sweeps backwards, kind of cool. Oil temp 140, oil pressure at idle 30, 35. Idling just under 1,000. Water temp, we're at 175, half a tank. We're charging. Coming straight off the headers into some side pipes with some baffled muffler. All stainless. Little windscreen here, good if you're wearing a hat. That one looks like it got away from him. All right, let's go down the road. Oh, 4-point harness. I'll work on putting that on here. I don't know the horsepower number here, but 400 to 500 would be a really safe bet. First gear, you can really just light them up if you wanted. All right, so first, it's 5 speeds. So first, second, third, fourth, over, fifth. That means you reverse all the way to the right and back. There it is. First, good sticky tires on here. You're gonna need them. Independent suspension on all 4 corners, disc brakes. It's really what sets this Backdraft model apart from the others. Saw a QuickTime bell housing in there. You know, all standard stuff for your high performance vehicles. Comfortable seats. Good visibility with the little mirrors they do have. Fairly quiet when you're just putting around. You do get your little cackle and pop here and there. Still early, so we're gonna try and sneak around here. Just wanted to show you some low speed. Usually there's a guy out one of these houses having his coffee. Not today, it's pretty cold. Sitting at like 32, 35. Very good way to start the morning, that's for sure. So here's a second gear. We'll run them. How could we not? Alright guys, check it out, frankmanmotors.com. Any questions, leave a comment. Like, share, subscribe, watch another video. Hey, if you got an old car or a cool collectible you want to sell, you know who to call. We'll get it on here, we'll get it showcased. Maybe we'll buy it, maybe you can sign it. Alright, see you guys next time. Man, I love this thing.